In the bay, Yop is dry. I can help, said Tugboat. Tiny Tugboat goes to work. Tiny Tugboat pulls out a sailboat. The other ships and boats are still stuck. Tiny Tugboat pulls out a motorboat. The other ships and boats are still stuck. Tiny Tugboat pulls out a fishing boat. The other ships and boats are still stuck. Tiny Tugboat pulls out a
cruise ship.
The other ships and boats are still stuck. Tiny Tugboat pulls out a pirate ship. The other ships and boats are still stuck. Tiny Tugboat pulls out a submarine. All the ships and boats are finally free. I need a nap, said Tiny Tugboat.
Good job.
Please.
Tita.
Now,
What is the setting of this story?
setting.
A dark night on the ocean. A sunny day on the ocean. A sunny day in the city.
Now, what is the setting? Now, sit up today and answer the questions.
Nope. Bath time.
What is the setting of this story? A dark night on the ocean. A sunny day on the ocean. A sunny day in the city.
A sunny day in the ocean.
On the ocean. Okay.
How is the tugboat different from the other boats? The tugboat is pulling the other boats free. The tugboat is stuck with the other ships. The tugboat is a vessel that floats in water.
Vessel of what?
Sit up and read again. What is the tugboat?
The tugboat is stuck with the other ships. The tugboat is pulling the other boats free. Why did the author write this story?
To inform it.
What happens at the end of the story? The tugboat pulls out a fishing boat.
Pull out a fishing boat.
The tugboat sets to work helping boats. The tugboat decides it needs a nap.
Lady ơi.
It's not yours. Finish this.
Which of the following is a type of watercraft that can operate completely underwater? Tugboat,
Submarine.
Yes! You click on the items.
Engine.
You did it. Perfect. You got all the stars.